Good morning, all. Welcome to Enlist Online Hands-on Workshop. Resource person of today's session is Daya Gunesha, sir, Head and Librarian, Government First Grade College, Osadurga. Sir has completed post-graduation Master of Library and Information and ME in Kannada Literature and holds philosophy in Library Science and also completed state-level eligibility test in both subjects. Sir has worked as guest lecturer in Library Science of Tumkur University, and Sir has worked as a librarian since 2008 to 2010 at PU College in Shiralakoppa in Shivamogga district. Currently working as a head and librarian in Government First Grade College at Osadurga in Chitradurga district since 2010. Apart from library work, he has been working as a convener of UGC, MOOC, Alumni Association, and other various committees of their college. Sir has published articles in national and international peer-reviewed journals and conferences. Dayangunesha sir participated as resource person in various places. Sir areas of interest are library, automation, ICT, digital libraries. On behalf of Government First Grade College, we wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Handing over the session to you, sir.
Okay, thank you for nice introduction. Shall I start now?
Yes, sir, you can start.
Hello.
Sir, you can start, sir.
Hello.
Sir, hello, sir, you can start the session. Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, you can
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Have you audible?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Good morning to everyone. Is it up here? Hello.
Yes, sir, we are audible.
Yes, sir.
PPT is visible? No. Okay, shall I? Share screen. Yeah. Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Good morning to everyone. Firstly, I would like to tell thanks Principal of the college, Professor M. Jairam Reddy, and Organizing Secretary, Mr. Venugopal, Head and Librarian of Government First Aid College, Malur, and all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff are invited as a resource person of this webinar. Dear students, it is one of my duties and great pleasure sharing my knowledge about Enlist. I am going to introduce how can we access e-resources, how can we search and downloading e-resources under Enlist. I would like to share my thoughts or views on Enlist. As you know that information is most important to everyone at every stage. Without information, we can't do anything. Information is a power, information is a knowledge, information is a thing, information is a fifth need of man. Information is a vital resource like coal, iron, minerals, and so on. Somebody said information is fifth need of man after air, water, food, and shelter. With information is a very essential, and when human birth on earth, breathe in, breathe out is common factor of human. After fulfill the requirement of air, water is second need of human. So when you want to search water, you first must be know where water is available. If you know the place of availability of water, you can get easily. Otherwise, you will face difficulties. I will give one more example. Dear students, when you have joined this Zoom app, first you got information, then only you will join to Zoom app. Otherwise, you can't join here. So what I am trying to telling, information is most important for us. And then one more essential, behind of everything information is there. Behind of each and every one activity, information is there. What I am trying telling, information is very most important to us and very needed. This is one part. Another one part is information always growing. After growing of information is more and more. It means millions data available in online networks and databases. When we have to search information, we have to confuse how to get best material for our regarding to our queries. So it is challenging task really how to get best material among the ocean of knowledge. So one side is information is very needed, another one side is information is explosion. So in last decade ago, information along with technology go together. They are both faces of the same coin. But right now, we are using in between information and technology. The one word is came, that is communication. We are calling ICT, information, communication, and technology. Technology has drastically changed every walk of life, even field of education. Particularly, Library and Information Center provides information in different forms with the advancement of ICT. Library and Information Center provides information in different forms like print form, electronic form, digital form. In India, there is a number of consortia for the fulfill the information by requirement of users. Different organization collaboration with many consortia like Infibnet, Delnet, Elnet, Malibnet, Calibnet, and so many net. Among those, I have chosen Infibnet. Dear students, consortia, it means, is an association of two or more individuals or company or organization or governments with the objective of participating for achieving a common goal. So why am I choose Infibnet? Infibnet collaboration with MHRD of Government of India, particularly UGC Infonet and Indus IICT consortia together merge with eShodha Sindhu. eShodha Sindhu is a unique that is speciality and special features as single search platform accessibility, that too in at affordable rate, 24/7 access throughout the year. It is very cheap compared to other consortia. Definitely, eShodha Sindhu is a separate package which is meant to serve the arts, science, commerce colleges, which is called Enlist. So now Enlist. Dear students, how to use and why? How can you access e-resources under Enlist program? So Enlist provides access to e-resources to the students, faculty members, and research scholars from colleges, universities, and other beneficiary institutions. The Enlist program successfully filled in the serious gap of providing access e-resource to the college or universities or other reputed beneficiary institutions. Definitely, it will one of the boon for students, faculty members, and research scholars of the college and universities. So, dear students, you see, Enlist providing e-resources to the students only from colleges or university or other beneficiary reputed institutions, not only individual membership. And then it will particularly in government colleges, majority of rural students coming from rural areas, so they don't have any electronic resources facilities. So in this situation, Enlist one of the boon for students of the college. So now, what is Enlist? Enlist stands for National Library and Information Services Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. It was being jointly executed by, already told, UGC Infonet, Inflibnet, and Indus AICT merged with eShoda Sindhu. So what is the scope of Enlist? The scope means what subjects are covered under Enlist. The colleges in India are eligible to get access pure science, applied science, social science, humanities, linguistics, commerce and management under Enlist program, except agriculture, engineering, medical, pharmacy, dentistry, and nursing. A college component of Shoda Sindhu consortium with access to more than 6,000 journals and more than 1,64,300 e-books under Enlist program you can access and downloading. So now, what are the electronic resources covered under the Enlist? Here, first one, e-journals. Here, e-journals, American Institute of Physics. It is, audience, is it visible? Is it visible? Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. American Institute of Physics. This is first one here. 18 titles. If you click here, you can get 18 journals regarding to physics. And then next, annual reviews. Annual reviews cover 33 titles. It covered all subject weekly. It is only covered only one title, that is covered area regarding to economic and political issues. Indian journals, it is also covered 180 titles. And Institute of Physics, 46 titles, and J-Star 2,500 titles, and Oxford University Press. Now, Royal,
Yes, sir.
sorry, Indian Indian journals, more than 180 titles covered. In Institute of Physics, 46 titles covered. JSTOR, more than 2,500 titles covered. Oxford University Press, more than 262 titles covered. Royal Society of Chemistry, 29 titles covered. S.W. Wilson, more than 3,000 titles covered. Cambridge University Press, 224 titles covered under Enlist sources. These are left side appearing e-books, Cambridge Books Online, more than 8,800 titles e-books are available, and e-braille, more than 150,000 titles available. EBSCO host net library, 936 titles available e-books. Hindustan Book Agency, more than 65 titles. Institute of Southeast Asian Studies books, more than 382 books. Oxford Scholarship, 1,402 titles available. Springer eBooks, 2,300 titles covered. Sage Publication eBooks, 1,000 titles. Taylor Francis eBooks, 1,800 titles. McGraw books. So these are eBooks covers under Enlist sources. So now, dear students, how can you search or how can you log in to the Enlist? Now you go to Google. In Google, you have to type just Enlist. If you type Enlist, then you have to enter in your keyboard. It will below one. Yes. Now here open Enlist National Library and Information Services. If you click this link, it will open another one window, that is Enlist home page. Enlist home page. Here 3 columns are there. Show the Sindhu. Next, second column, who are eligible. Third one, members login. Here you just click login. Just if you click login, it will open below. Open and screenshot also will open and said here your connection is not secure. Your connection is not secure. In this time, you just please click within the box advanced option is there. If you click advanced option, it will open another window, that is your connection is not secure, same, but in below one option is there, that is continue to using continue to iproxy.inpibnet.ac.in. This is link. Please, if you click this, then it will open members login. Dear students, are you understanding till now what I said? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Up to till now, have you
Yes, sir,
understood?
able to understand.
How can you just go to Google, type Enlist and press the enter button, then it will open Enlist here. If you click this link, it will open Enlist home page. In Enlist home page, you come to members login. If you click login option, it will open another one window, that is your connection is not secure. So here within the box advanced option, if you click this option, next another one window open. This window, it will give, it will ask one time only, those who are first enter into the login, it will open only once. Here click on continue to iproxy infibnet.ac. So if you click this one, here asking enter the username and password to access the NList e-resources. Here user login ID and password. Where is login ID and password? So those who are NList administrator or those who are technician of NList concern their college. So they will create the ID and password for the students or staff. So he will generate and send to the students mail ID. Students or staff will get user ID or password through their registered email ID. So here in this email, username here is there, password also is there. So here user ID generally their email ID and password also coming in, password also is appear here through their mail. This password you have to enter and log in. And here if you don't want that password, if you don't want that password, you just click this link. If you click this link, it will open another one window and asking new password generating. So what you desired password, you have to set to the NList. So when you are login to the NList, so now you go to e-resources. Here home, about, members, register, e-resource. Students wants e-resource. So you go to e-resource and click this one. So now you will get e-resources, first e-books. Here American Institute of Physics annual reviews, economic and political weekly, and so many e-journals are available, and so many e-books are available. So now I am going to show how to search e-books. Just you have to Cambridge Books Online. These are publisher websites. If you click cambridge.org/core, if you click this one window is opening, that is Cambridge Core Journals home page, publisher home page, this one. If you want to search by subject, here browse by subject, or if you search through the content or your query, you type here and search. Otherwise, if you search by subject, if you click this one, browse by subject, if you click, it will open browse subjects. Here anthropology, archaeology, area studies, chemistry, science students, chemistry, and computer science students, computer science, drama, earth and environment science, economics, education, engineering, English language, it teaching resource for teachers, film, media, general science, geography, history, language and linguistics, law, life science, literature, management, material science, mathematics, medicine, music, nutrition, philosophy, physics and astronomy, politics and international relation, psychiatry, psychology, religion, social science, research methods, sociology. So these are subjects are available. If you click some subject on subject history, if you click history, you will get both journals as well as books. Here, Africa reviews, America's ancient, so America, Anglo-Saxon England. These are totally e-journals regarding to history subject, and you will also get e-books on history, African history, American history, after for 1945. After these are e-books regarding to history books. So like this, you can search what you want, what you belongs to their subject. You can search, just you click on subject and you will click these are books. If you click this one, you will get e-books. Here, just example, I have searched and downloaded the key concepts in human resource management. This is books, e-books. I only download from Sage Publications. So e-books you are download. And dear students and lively, now I am showing how can you search in hello.
Sir, yes, sir, able to see the Google Chrome.
Google Chrome. Oh, fine. So now you can type enlist. Here, click enlist National Library Information Service. You can click here, and you will get enlist home page. So, dear students, now we are going to e-resources. Just click e-resources. You will get e-resources. The electronic journals, American Institute of and annual reviews. These are electronic journals. I will show. You go to search, and here on window open is you may search e-books or e-journals. You just click and type here. So all the students, all of you students are purely related to science or other combinations are there?
Science student, sir.
Only science. Okay, I will
Chemistry
show. You just how can you search and download the e-books belongs to your science related subjects? Just chemistry. Yes, chemistry. Type and search. Yeah. Total belongs to chemistry 3,789 titles are showing here regarding to only chemistry. If you just click to view, yeah, if you click once again asking user login and password, same ID and same password you can use. Yeah. Now, at Hutchinson Trends in Science Chemistry. So here, 3 services are available. One is read online, another one is download book, another one is download PDF chapter. If you don't want whole book, but if you want to only chapter, that is also chapter available. If you want download the chapter, you can also click. If you click this, it will download. Just I am now clicking read online. Just yeah, trends in science chemistry. This is ebook. Ebooks. Yeah. This table of content of this book. This is introduction chapter. It will start. These are totally e-books regarding to chemistry ebook. Just you may read. If you want to download ebook, you go to download option. Here, download book is there. If you click, the ebook will download. I'm not going to download because it takes too time. And this is also, if you want chapter wise, you can download. So now this is belongs to chemistry. Now go to mathematics. Yeah, here some options is there. Year 2020 published. If you want to book only particular year, 2020 year published, latest updated, and 2019, 18, and show, and also show so many years up to. Yeah, okay. Oh, last back 50 years, more than 50 years, you will get books in this publisher's website. So if you want to search mathematics books, you can total 63,845 books are available here. If you sort by publication date or title wise, if you want to title wise search, it will filter, or publisher wise, title wise, publication date wise, you may search and get the books. This is mathematics, and then one more physics. PHYSICS, physics. Yeah, physics also 65,315 books are available in this only publisher websites. So now here physics, you can also sort or search filter by author title wise, publication date wise, publisher wise, contributor wise. It means author wise. You can search and get the books. These are physics, and journals also search this like Here you just give title: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, biochemistry, so many chemistries, different types of chemistry books are also available. Physical chemistry 392 books and 391, chemistry 363, general chemistry, biochemistry 271, organic chemistry 260 ebooks. These are available in this publishers websites. So you can search not only science, all the subjects except engineering, medical, dentist, nursery. Remaining disciplines are search and get to the books through the
ಕೇಳಿಸೈತಲ್ಲಿ
and then one more, you go to particular ebooks and e-journals resources. Here two options are there. One is you go to e-resource option and click here. Now it will open one window. This is one method. Another one method is you go to search option, and within the box you can type what you want the books or journals. Here this is two method. Already showed one option or one method. Another one method is e-resources. Here American Institute of Physics. If you click this one, you will get books or journals. Yeah, here already I log in, but when you are first time go to this, those who are going to search first time, once again you can it can ask their login ID and password. Same user ID and password, type and click the login button. Login. Next it will open one window. You don't do anything, just you accept button, click. Yeah, here about AIP publishing, already said 18 titles are there under American Institute of Physics. So here is there now. If you click this one, you will get individual articles. Yeah, within this journal, these are articles. Now contributed K. Nishoika and Honja Naganuma and many authors are there contributed this article, particular American Institute of Physics. These are articles. If you click this article, you will get, yeah, it's opening abstract. If you want abstract, you click abstract option. If you want full text article, you can click this one. So now it is opening full text article. These are regarding to physics articles. Yeah, totally. If you want to download through the PDF format, it also available. If you want to recommend to friend or another one, you may recommend. So if you download through the PDF mode, you can click PDF. It is downloading. I'm not going to downloading now. So these are one method. American Institute of Physics is downloading. Now e-resource. Annual reviews, also same method. Just you click that link, and also once again you can log in, same ID and password using. Yeah. You just click accept button. Yeah. Here, browse journals or enter words. What you want, your query, you can type here, and you will get books and journals. Top articles in 2020 are most downloaded, freely available also in these publishers. Browse journals. Here, so many journals are available regarding to biology, computer science, physics, chemical and biomolecular engineering. These are journals available under annual reviews. Sociology, political science, public health. These are journals A to Z. Here is a list of total journals are visible. You see biophysics, cancer biology, clinical biology, computer science, financial economics, food science and technology, economics, material research, linguistic, land social science, physical chemistry, nutrition. So many journals are available under annual reviews publishers website. So this like you have to search and get books. Dear students, like this, we can search one by one. Publisher website link, you will get e-books and e-journals. So, dear students, have a understanding till now how to search and how to access and how to download from Enlist resources.
Yes, sir. Sir, we got an idea, sir. We will also try it out. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Sir, one of the student have asked whether audio video books are available in Enlist, sir.
Audio, video, yeah. Digital National Digital Library publisher website is there now.
Yes, sir.
In that website, you will get some audio or video, but not all the video, not all the audio. Only.
Okay,
some
okay, sir.
audio.
Certain subjects.
A warm and cherished morning to our most valued honorable resource person Daya Ganesha sir, principal sir, faculty members, my dear friends and everyone present here. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this virtual seminar grand success. This is Shilpa ME from 3rd BSc GFGC Malur. I am here to give the vote of thanks to all to this virtual seminar on Enlist. Firstly, we are heartily thankful to our beloved principal, Professor Jayaram Reddy, M. Sir, who always motivated us and always supporting us in any activities we do. Thank you, sir. I take this time to thank our resource person Daya Gunesha sir for sharing his knowledge and enlist with all of us. This virtual seminar was really useful to us. We learned much things on enlist. Thank you, sir. I wholeheartedly thank our librarian Venugopal sir who made this virtual seminar possible to us, and also thank all faculties, teaching and non-teaching staff who made this seminar to reach to use. Thank you all. Last but not least, without you, that no program will be successful. Friends, thank you all who were present here and made this seminar successful, and thank you all.